दूसरा सबसे बड़ा परिधान निर्माता बनने के लिए तैयार मित्तल लाइफस्टाइल लिमिटेड। एनएसई में लिस्टेड मित्तल लाइफस्टाइल लिमिटेड की भिवंडी में कंपोजिट डेनिम मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट है। मित्तल लाइफस्टाइल लिमिटेड अब अपने विस्तार की योजना बना रहा है, जिसके बाद यह भारत में डेनिम जीन्स का दूसरा सबसे बड़ा निर्माता बन जाएगा। कंपनी ने डेनिम जीन्स की प्रति माह 25,000 इकाइयों की उत्पादन क्षमता के साथ 2 नई मैन्युफैक्चरिंग फैसिलिटी शुरू की है। कंपनी ने नए ब्रांड जेरिको लंदन और मैकेलन पेरिस के साथ कपड़ों और मैन्युफैक्चरिंग की शुरुआत की है, जिससे रेवेन्यू और लाभ दोनों बढ़ेगा। अब देखते हैं सीईओ प्रतीक मित्तल का क्या कहना है।
Yes. I'm the CFO and the director of the company. Yeah, I'm the CFO and the director of the company, and I've been leading this company since I joined the company in the year 2014, and since then I've been leading this company in parts of operations, and so we were basically into fabrics occasionally, but eventually we turned into manufacturing of garments. So we are doing both. We are doing fabric as well as manufacturing of garments, and we've launched 2 international brands, which is Jericho London and Macallan Paris. And Jericho London is for men's and women's, whereas Macallan Paris is for boys and girls. We have our warehousing, manufacturing, stitching, all procedures done in Bhiwandi. So we have a 33,000 square foot Bhiwandi warehouse where our stitching, manufacturing, finishing of the product and logistics is being handled. And at the same time, we are soon to plan into 4 large format stores in metropolitan cities like Mumbai, Delhi, Ahmedabad, Calcutta. And soon we are going to launch 60 MBOs, so multi-brand outlets, with the help of lifestyle stores, West Side, and so on and so forth. And yeah,
what are your expansion plans? What are your expansion plans?
So currently we are manufacturing 25,000 pieces, and as I told you before that we are doing it through on e-commerce portals. We also registered ourselves on e-commerce platforms like Amazon, Flipkart, Jabong, and various other e-commerce portals. And so as for the demands and everything, we are soon to start manufacturing 50,000 pieces. So coming to 50,000 pieces, we plan to manufacture somewhere around 4.5 to 5 lakh pieces a year. So that can give a boost to our existing revenue, which is, we just touched 100 crores this year. So we are planning somewhere around an extra 35 crores in revenue. And since garment division is a very profitable business, our current profit, which is 2.13, PAT is 1.52, we are assuring that around we'll get a profit of 7 crores. So this is how we are planning on expanding our business.
What is your rewards to shareholders?
So in the year when we had launched our IPO, that was in the year 2018. So the first thing that we did is that during the first 8 months itself, we distributed dividends to our shareholders, and which was at the ratio of 5%. And in the year 18-19, we distributed bonus shares in the ratio 2:3. And coming this year, we plan to distribute dividends again, say in the coming months of October to November, or we either plan on giving our shareholders bonus shares. So we are thinking how to go about it, but we are definitely planning on giving a dividend or a bonus shares.
How is your factory performing in the?
So yes, Corona has been a very difficult time for all of us, and initially we did have a little bit of obstacles because the government had instructed to shut down the factories and all. But eventually we started manufacturing into our garments and everything. So in the month of March itself, we had started the production of 25,000 pieces, whereas in the month of April we had come down to 10,000. In the month of May we had come down to 10,000 pieces, as April was entirely closed as per the government norms. And again this month we've already closed into 20,000 pieces. So I think we are getting back to regular productions, and demands also in e-commerce, everything is improving as people currently want to shop. So yes, it's on the expansion.
What about your raw materials? Like where do you locally
So as said, we are fabric distributors as well. So because of this reason, where fabric rates are concerned, we have been able to get it minimized because we are dealers itself. So we do not charge any percentage on our own factory. And at the same time, since we have very good relations in the past 25 years that we've been in this line, so we've been able to procure all kinds of ribbit buttons, garments, I mean tags, labels, zips and everything at a very good pricing. So that makes our products reasonable. At the same time, since we have an experience of over 25 years in the field of denim itself, we have started manufacturing antiviral fabrics and anti-stain, anti-repellent garment, so that it helps a person who's wearing the garments in a better way.
Are they clinically tested? I mean, what is the...
So currently, I mean, where antiviral fabrics are concerned, since we are sourcing it from various job workers, so they have got their licenses approved from the government. So when it comes to, say, the times of corona right now going on, antiviral fabrics is the most important part which is being played right now, for which the job workers have got their license. So yes, that is approved.
What are your total range of garments which you are manufacturing and marketing?
So currently at present we have 82 products. 82 products basically comprises of women's, men's, girls and boys. In women's we are dealing in jeans, they are capris, they are bermudas. At the same style we are going with the girls segment as well. So we have their own denim jeans, we have their dungarees and we have their capris. When it comes to men's we are dealing with t-shirts, we are dealing with jeans and we are dealing with trousers. And at the same time where boys are concerned, we are also dealing in the same segment, which is t-shirts, bermudas and jeans. We have also launched our two brands, which is Jericho London and Macallan Paris, in other ideas. For example, we've registered them in perfumes, we've registered them in headgears, and we are soon to plan both of the segment. For men's we are launching Jericho London perfumes, whereas for women's we are launching Jericho London perfumes, which is Macallan Paris perfumes. So yes, accordingly we are dealing in headgears, purses and other segments as well we are trying to cover.